Not exactly the greatest day here at the marina. As you can see, it's rainy and very uncomfortable and very not pretty. But we are still at the marina. Happy day, any day, raining or not. Tell by the water there's no wind either, so. But there she is, out of reach. Yeah, now I'm realizing I probably should have painted the top deck too, but there's always another project. It's a boat. So, figured you guys might like an actual legitimate tour now that I've gotten it kind of put together. Yes, those are pool noodles. They are cheap and they do the same job. But anyway, you see the cockpit's pretty well laid out. Got the little tiller tamer on there, 100-watt solar panel, doing its job. Not today, obviously. And the mainsail covered up. And we look down into the cockpit. You can see that did a little bit of stuff here, nothing crazy. And you look down. See if I can not break my neck going down into the cabin. All right. Since it is raining, I'm going to go ahead and close that. All right, well, see, we got some stuff set up. Got some little things. Little storage bins make life a whole lot easier when you rip out everything. Have to start all over again, essentially. Of course, you got the little moisture dude. My daughter found these pillows. They're like $5 a piece. I kind of dug them, so we got them. All right, there's the galley. This little pan back through. Okay, we'll look back into the quarter berth. And spin back around. A newly refurbished table. Move it out of the way so I don't kill myself trying to walk through here. One fire extinguisher up. And the happy little head. All nice and pretty like. The V berth. I wasn't overly displeased with this siding, so I left it. I'm going to call it siding, whatever you want to call it. Wallpaper, wall covering, something. Anyway, jibs up here. Mainsail's rigged, of course. I got these guys right here. Got these at a great deal, so we've snatched them up while we could. None of this has been recovered. They've just been steam cleaned, and they came out pretty well. I'm pretty happy. Okay, chain plates. All nice and dry. Just the way they should be. And a little look back in here. Alright. Alright, guys. And we'll push back into here. I decided instead of a dedicated chart plotter that I would use a Samsung 10-inch tablet. I have no idea it's even powered on. Okay, apparently it is. But anyway, yeah, it's got Open CPA on it. I've already downloaded all the charts for the East Coast. I'm sorry, just for Virginia. I didn't download the whole East Coast, just Virginia. But it'll do just fine. It's on a RAM mount. And as you can see, it will spin right around into the cockpit. Of course, I'll have to... I've got it super tight. Shoot. I'll have to rotate it, but that's fine too. And there she'll sit for the perfect view from the cockpit. Easy peasy. Now I've got these two controllers, these two USB chargers over here that are the full fast chargers. And then there are two that are in the solar charger. I mean, that's the charge controller. They're not doing great today, but of course it's terribly overcast. This little guy's made life pretty easy. It's kind of telling me a better idea of what the solar panel's actually doing. There are two Group 27s in the back, wired in parallel. And got this little guy just so we can charge up our laptops. It's only 200 watts, nothing fancy. My laptop only needs like 50 watts to charge, so wasn't overly concerned about that. But anyway, all right, guys, have a wonderful day.